Okay, welcome back to the continuation of our video how to install WordPress locally on our device. Now that you've successfully installed the XAMPP and you've pinned it to the taskbar, as I said in the previous video, you have to start the Apache and then MySQL. If you start it, you see the ports reading. If you see something like this, if you see the numbers reading, it means everything is running smoothly. We can now install the WordPress. Okay, so what we have to do now is to go to your C drive. Okay, so my computer, you go to your C drive, you look at this, you open it, then you look for XAMPP. So you see here we have XAMPP. Then inside XAMPP you look for a folder named HT docs. Okay, so this one, HT docs, you open it. After opening it, just create a new folder and name it whatever you want, but make sure you have that name in mind because you will link it to our database when you go to the XAMPP panel. Okay, so you can name it whatever you want. So just create a new folder and name it whatever that you want. For me, I will name it US. Okay, now go to your download. After creating the folder, you go to your download. Okay, so you go to your download on your PC, then you look for the WordPress zip that you downloaded. In the previous video I asked you to download the WordPress. Okay, so the zip, if you follow that one successfully, you see something like this. So you just look for the WordPress that you downloaded, right click on that, then extract. You go to extract all. It will ask you to select the folder, so you just open the folder that you created in the local disk. Okay, so go to that folder. So on your local disk or C drive, you go to XAMPP, then look for HT docs. Okay, so you open it, then you look for the folder that you created. As I said, name it whatever, any name that you want. For me, I name it US, so I'll select that one, then come to select folder, then click on extract. Then the files will start extracting for me. I'll pause the video here, then I'll continue after extraction. Okay, so after successfully extracting the files into the folder you created, let's see what we can do again. Okay, so let's check and see what is inside that folder. Then look for the folder that you created. My own was US. Okay, so let's open it and see. Okay, so this is what you see. If you open it, this is what you are going to see. Okay, so inside that folder you see this WordPress. After extracting it, open it and copy. Okay, so Control A, select all, then Control C, copy. So copy and come back inside the same folder that you created. Okay, so just open it, then Control V, you paste inside the same folder that you created. Okay, so we are pasting it. So we've pasted it inside the folder that you created, right? So let's minimize this and go to our XAMPP control panel. Okay, so I'm sure you've started the Apache and then MySQL as I taught you in the previous video. So just come to MySQL admin, click on that. It will take us to the admin section. So let's wait for it to download. Sorry, for it to open for us. we are waiting. Now boom, it has opened for us. So when you come to this side, you have to create a database. Okay, as I said, the WordPress works or operate on a database. We have to link the WordPress that we've extracted into that folder. We have to link it to a database over here. Okay, on our local host or the XAMPP control panel, we have to link the WordPress to a database over here. So how do you create a database from here? So when you open it, you just come to new, you click on new. Okay, here just click on new. Now over here, database name, just name it whatever you want. So here I will name it GH. Okay, so then we'll name it, let's say I'll name it USA. Okay, so I'll name it USA. I'll click on create. Then it will say the database has been created for me. As you can see, USA, the database name that I've used. Now that we've created the database and you've extracted the WordPress, we have to link it. Okay, so we have to link these two together. I believe you are following me carefully. We extracted the WordPress that we downloaded into the folder that we created in XAMPP, and inside the XAMPP we looked for htdocs. Okay, so we created the folder in htdocs. Now we extracted the WordPress in that. After extracting, we copy the whole file and paste it in the folder again. Okay, and after doing that, we came to our XAMPP control panel. We came to the admin section by clicking on this. Okay, we click on that, the admin section on my SQL. It will take us to, or to take you to this beautiful section. And when you come here, you have to create a database and name it whatever you want. Now that we've created it, we have to link the two together, the database that we've created and that of the WordPress that we extracted. Okay, at the beginning of this video. So watch it carefully. If you find it difficult or if you don't get anything, leave it in the comment section and I will turn to you. Subscribe to my channel if you find it helpful and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.